They must have.
Male adult, aged 29 years old, Eritrean national, a manager at Casablanca bar and a resident of Kauga, in Mukono division, Mukono district. You are being charged with the offense of sale and display of tobacco and tobacco products contrary to section 16, subsection 2B of the Tobacco Control Act 22. It is alleged that on the 19th day of October 2018 at Casablanca bar located at Upper Kauga in the Mukono district without lawful excuse, you are found to be in possession of a water pipe, tobacco delivery system to which Shisha pot, which are banned tobacco products in Uganda.
Yeah, I have understood.
How do you plead?
I disagree.
The court records a plea of not guilty.
For a hearing date. And we also pray for criminal summons to issue against A2 and A3.
I can apply. Because I totally deny it. That's what the police have written about me. But the truth, can I say the truth? Am I allowed to speak?
You will be allowed to explain yourself at the right moment. Right now we are just taking a plea. During plea time, the interest of court is to ensure that you understand why you have been brought in court. And that's why the clerk read to you the charge, and you have explained that it is not true.
I
Court
understand.
has recorded a plea of not guilty, and it is also your constitutional right under the laws of Uganda to apply for bail if you wish.
Yeah, I would like to apply for that.
You have sureties. Do you have people to stand for you?
Yeah, I have people.
So what is your grounds for applying for bail?
My grounds.
Yes. What is your reason?
My reason. The truth is, I was a new manager appointed to the Casablanca at that time. And by the time I have been there, just before that, I have been for some days in Casablanca. We were not selling any shisha. And at the same day, the day that this policeman came, I was not even there. I was not even. I was about to come in. I was coming in at that moment, and they were taking two people outside with them.
Excuse me, sir. Right now, the court is interested in knowing if there are special reasons why you feel you'd rather come from home and attend court as opposed to being remanded in jail, because we have the option to remand you and you attend court while you're coming from prison.
Additional reason to what I have just said, to my denial, because I have this internal problem.
What is the problem?
The problem is I have this health problem a little bit, which that's why I couldn't sleep last night. Even the last time they took me, I couldn't sleep.
So who are your sureties? Who are the people here to stand for you?
They are here.
You can be registered in Kampala and then later on move or build a house in Mukono. You understand what I mean? So, tell what's your name, sir?
Lugwama Vincent.
Luwama.
Vincent. 8.
Relationship with the accused.
He's a friend.
How long have you known him?
I've known him for 2 months, but I've known his boss for some years.
I do object to the accused's bail application on grounds that, one, when he was arrested and was granted police bond, and he never honored the same, he jumped bond, and he was later on rearrested and detained. Second,
Source of this information.
Your Honor, the police file has minutes where the prosecution does communicate with them. The source of information is on the file, the minutes. And Your Honor, the other objection is in respect to surety number 2. The surety that the accused person has presented is not, does not appear to be a substantial surety, since he has only presented national ID. He does not possess an LC letter showing his place of residence, and as such, Your Honor, if the accused absconded from court, it would be quite hard to press for him or even to press for a surety. There is a likelihood of leaving the country, which would be a hindrance to the prosecution of this case, Your Honor.
To start with, the second objection is that I have someone who can represent me, my boss, even if I don't have the national ID, but my boss has the national ID. He's a Ugandan national ID, so he can be my reference. I am with him. He's a family as well. So he knows me that I cannot escape because
Well,
he can represent me.
You have to respond in light of the persons whom you have presented.
Since last night, since the time that they arrested me, even last time, just I couldn't eat. I told you that.
The state
I have
mentioned
this
one
big
thing.
problem.
The state mentioned one thing that, according to the police file, when you are granted police bond, you did not respect it. I had expected you to address more on that because that's a very pertinent piece of information.
And maybe just a misunderstanding. As a new person to prison, just if you can, if I can be forgiven, because I have never been to prison here in all this time in Uganda. I don't even know how to respond in courts or stuff like that. But this is my first time in any prison or in any court station. So for that, I can be forgiven because I don't even know the rules, the exact rules and the consequences. That's crime. That's crime.
I've carefully listened to the grounds for your application, wherein you have informed court that you have ill health. This claim, however, has not been supported by any documentation confirmed. The state has also raised 3 objections, 2 of which pertain to the substantiality of the authority, particularly the second surety, was presented to this court only his national ID. The second surety also informed court that he is a councillor with Mukono Municipal Council, but he has not presented any documentation to substantiate that claim. Now, the essence of granting bail is to ensure that an accused person is able to go about his normal life while not in custody. But it is also the duty and responsibility of the court to ensure that once an accused person is granted bail, they shall be able to respond to and be able to present themselves when required, when their attendance is required in court. I am in agreement with the objections raised by the state to the extent that the second surety that you presented is not substantial. And for that reason, your bail application has been denied. You're going to be remanded up to the 19th of December 2015.
Ffe abalwanyisa abantu abakukusa oba abakozesa ettaaba naddala mu lukale abantu webatera kubeera tuli basanyufu kubanga nti ebiseera ebisinga obungi abantu abatuweereza obubaka bagamba nti abantu banywera wano bisisha banywera wano rather sigala poliisi ebadde ng'ejjanga ebakwata ate nga tebaleeta mu kooti kati tuli basanyufu nti lunaku luno kooti eya Mukono eganye kweyimirirwa okwa manager ow'ebbaala emu gye twasanga ng'abantu batunda sisha era poliisi ey'Omukono nebakwata naye kati yabaleese kubanga jo babakutte era lunaku luno manager ne bamukwata era omupuliida wa gavumenti asabye kooti nti ekkirize esindike ebibaluwa ebyabakuntumye kwabo ababiri abalala be bakwata ne manager era kooti negaana okweyimirira kubanga naddala era nesalawo nti ennaku z'omwezi 19 era omusango guno gujja kubanga guwulizibwa era tusaba tukuba omulanga eri abo bonna abatunda sisha bamuveeko kubanga sisha yawerebwa dda sisha yawerebwa kubanga sisha akosa abantu kusinga ne sigala era abamunywa mu ddakiika nga 30 balinga abanywedde sigala yenkanankana n'eminwe 100 ebyo ebyokunoonyereza byatuukibwako ekitongole ky'eggwanga lyonna ekyebyobulamu mu lufuutifuuti kye bayita World Health Organization. Era ne ekitongole eky'ebyobulamu ekya Uganda wano kyakonfaminga ne kikaatiriza nti omuntu yenna anywa sisha era abanga amenye arada aba akosa si yeye yekka naye abantu bonna abali nga bamuliraanye abo abamunywa obulamu bwabwe bukosebwa ate nabwo ekibonerezo nakyo weekiri etteeka kirina bulungi kubanga kati basalawo nti kabasooke bakwate abateekawo akatale kati n'abo bonnyini abo pulida beyasabye nti kooti esindika ebibaluwa by'abakuntumi babasanga nga bamunywa. We are trying to promote compliance with the Tobacco Control Act. In October, police in Mukono went and impounded shisha pots and arrested 2 smokers and the manager of Casablanca. They were promptly given bail, rather police bond, and they jumped police bond. Yesterday, police pounced on the manager of Casablanca, Mukono, and arrested him, and today he has been arraigned before the chief magistrate of Mukono. The chief magistrate was requested by the state prosecutor that criminal summons be issued on those 2 guys who are at large. And the bail application of the manager was rejected because he did not convince court, he did not provide substantial sureties, but he also has a right, yes, to apply for bail, but he did not convince court. The other issue is that on the 19th of December, that is when the case will be, that's when the case is going to be fully heard. That is when the state is going to adduce evidence, because the witnesses are there, video footage is there, and we pray that the state adduces this evidence, because also it's important that all the other persons on whom police has not enriched should be put on notice that shisha pots, tobacco flavored products are banned, they stand banned, they are not products that are allowed to come into the country. Shisha business is not legitimate business in Uganda because section 16 subsection 2 paragraphs B and C bans importation, distribution, offer for sale and display of water pipe tobacco delivery systems, which are popularly called Shisha.